Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm in my garage building a car, but a wooden one, not a real one. I was drilling this head, and nail was going in. We used a drill, we used a real hammer, and this is what we got. This is what we gotten so far. Does it look good? 1, 2. After the top. I've seen mine. There we go.
What are you doing, Keegan? You filing down your nails?
Going down easily. He's like, okay, I'm going in. Wait, where does this one go? Does this one go in the back? This one's the back, see? Was that a good one at the end? I was like,
Wham!
this is a small one. That was easy. Done. There's a standing hammer in front of me. I finished my project. I finished my car. Bye. Hello. You might not be able to hear me.
Oh, maybe I'm not going to turn on the vacuum.
What?
Mommy forgot a step, Keegan. What step do you think Mommy forgot?
Plug it in.
That's right.
Mommy forgot to plug it in.
It'll be just fine, Mommy.